Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Gemini network error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test which one works better. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. This refreshes your network. Then restart your device and try using the Gemini again. This helps to fix temporary network issues. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off because it can sometimes cause network connection problems. Then also check if you are using a restricted network like office or school Wi-Fi, as it may block services. If the issue continues, try logging in later because it may be a temporary server problem. That's how you fix the Gemini network error. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.